Well, look, before we head to commercial, there's one thing I'd like to do. It's, we had this... Now, in 12 years of doing this show, or a show like this is the first time we've ever had an idea that has been so divided in our building as to whether this is a fun thing to do or a stupid thing to do. But I'm going to do it anyway. It's a little something we are calling What's Making This Noise?
That's a synthesizer. That's a synthesizer. I know that one.
Now, this is a stitch-up because we're playing a shitty intro, so people go, oh, I don't know. Here's what's going to happen, right? I'm going to play...
So synthesizer's wrong?
That was not it. That was not
okay,
it.
right.
But good
synthesizer.
Warm. Good warm. Johnny's ready. He's in the zone. So what's going to happen is I'm going to play a noise. Then each of you have to guess what's making this noise. Shut up. This will be brilliant. Okay. Let's play the noise. I love this already. Okay, so, Ty, what do you think is making this noise?
It's a Foley artist trying to make the sounds of a guy walking through mud.
Good showbiz thought. Stone Cold.
Clearly that was a duck taking a shit.
Clearly. John, what's making this noise?
I mean, obviously, it is a human soul escaping from the WWE when you squish and you step on their chest. That's the last thing they make, is it?
Well, let's see what was making this noise. And that was what's making this noise! Good segment. That's right. Yes! Stand up! That was brilliant! Wow. Oh my God. I need to take a break. Coming up, Secret Men's Business. Wow, let's just soak that in and we got to... Whoa. Wow. That was so good.